Let's test your car battery using a multimeter. A multimeter is a handy tool to have. You can use it for more than just checking your battery. I'll be sharing more videos on how to use it for other car maintenance tasks as well. To test the battery, grab your multimeter. Connect the probes and set it to measure DC voltage. With the engine off, let's check the reading. Connect the red probe to the positive terminal and the black probe to the negative. A healthy battery should show between 12.3 and 12.7 volts. Let's start the engine and check again. You'll notice the voltage dip when starting the car. If it dips below 10 volts, it could indicate a weak battery that may need replacing soon. A good alternator will boost the voltage to around 13.7 to 14.7 volts. If your readings are outside these ranges, you may need to check the battery or alternator. Regular checks can help prevent problems on the road and save you from getting stranded unexpectedly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more practical car tips. Once you're done, turn off the multimeter and store it.